Hello, this is Wicked Shrapnel, and I'm going to share a virgin experience with you today. It's not often that you get virgin experiences, and it's even less often that you get to share them with people on video. So there was an InNOut burger that recently opened up in Round Rock, Texas, which is near where I live. It's about 15 minutes away from my house. And I just drove there, and it was crazy how many people were there. I actually videoed it on my iPhone, so here, check this out, and then I'll be right back. Hello, this is Wicked Shrapnel, and they just opened an InNOut burger here in Round Rock, Texas. This is where I live, and this is crazy. I've never seen a burger place so hopping. They had to close the driveway up there because the drive-thru comes clear out into the parking lot. It looks like it's packed inside. I'm actually going to go through the drive-thru so I can go home and make a video of my first InNOut burger. I've heard so much about this place, and logo's nothing special. It looks like one little part of a McDonald's arch. But I'm excited to try it because I've heard a lot of good things, and they've told me to get an animal style burger and fries. So that's what I'm gonna get. I get the biggest one that they got, and then I'm gonna go home and eat it because I am hungry. So there you go, that place was packed. And this is like 8 o'clock, 8:30 at night. So it's pretty ridiculous. I've never seen a fast food place so busy, at least around here. So let's see what we got. I asked people on Twitter what I should buy, and they said a 4x4 animal style burger. That looks a little sloppy. Oh my goodness. I haven't even looked at it yet, and here it is in a bag all of its own. 4 beef patties. Oh my goodness. And I got my Wolford Brimley shirt on. Diabetes. I'll put a link in the description and annotation on the screen. I got this shirt on my Spreadshirt site. So this video was sponsored by Diabetes. That is a crazy looking bun. Is this alright? This is still another layer of paper. Oh boy, this monster is greasy. America! Look at this monster. Oh my goodness. Try to get it in the light. 4 beef patties, cheese, some sort of special sauce. I can't wait anymore. I gotta eat it. There's some pickle on there. Oh, this is gonna be messy. And then I got an extra large Dr. Pepper, and it's not the Diet Dr. Pepper. People were complaining in the comments that the diet is worse than the regular. So now I got 32 ounces of of pure sugary goodness. This is a damn good burger. I think that's like Thousand Island dressing. It's kind of like Big Mac dressing. And then I got large animal style fries, which looks like they dumped a bunch of that dressing on top with some grilled onions. Might need to eat this with a fork. I got a fork and a roll of paper towels just in case. I thought things might get messy. And someone also said I had to get a Neapolitan milkshake. Which that is delicious. Oh man, this is good stuff. And this isn't even a challenge video. This is just kind of a Wicked Shrapnel dinner. Wow. This thing is so messy, but so good. That's a lot of beef. Let me see if I can break out these animal fries in the open. Let them breathe. So, I'd never even seen an InNOut burger before. Now that I'm tasting them, I gotta say, this is pretty damn good. I'm gonna put it up there with one of the best burgers I've ever had. So it's up there with like Fuddruckers. Fuddruckers is still one of my favorites. Five Guys burgers and fries. It's pretty good too. Some other people wanted to see me eat some Five Guys burger and fries, but I've had it before. I'd never had InNOut burger. Also has cheese on it too. Cheese, Thousand Island dressing. Oh yeah. To your health. Oh my goodness. It's so good. I know eating this kind of really fatty, greasy food is eventually gonna kill me someday. It'll catch up to me. I already take medication to lower my cholesterol, so I'm combating it against it with modern medicine. Lipitor. My doctor said I needed to lower my cholesterol, and I'm like, all right, how do I do that? She's like, well, you have to eat better. And I'm like, what other ways are there to do that? So through the miracles of modern medicine, my cholesterol is within normal range, even when I eat shit. Deliciously good shit. Oh my goodness. I need to slow down just because I don't want this to end. I should have made this a challenge video because I would have loved to eat 5 or 6 of these. So good. I didn't know what I was missing. InNOut Burger just recently came to Texas. So everybody was always telling me about this place, like lived in California. So I've heard a lot about them. And now I get to taste them for the first time. It's so good. And I think another appealing thing of why I think there's a lot of people that watch these videos is there's people that live outside the United States that don't even have food like this, and they just like to see what fat Americans eat. You don't know what you're missing. So good. Wow. I'm Burgers are probably like my top food. Like, if I had to pick one type of food to only eat that food for the rest of my life, it'd probably be a hamburger. Pizza and spaghetti might be number 2. 2 and 3. Not sure which one is which, but I like spaghetti a lot. And I like pizza a lot. This is such a wonderful mix of flavors. Neapolitan. So it's chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry all mixed together in a milkshake. I don't know if you can see the swirls without me dumping it all over. So delicious. And I'm just about to wrap it up and finish these fries. Let me know what other type of food you'd like to see me eat in the future. Or if you just want to see different type of burgers, I'll eat every burger known to man. I'll do a tour of burgers. It's really hard to say what the best one is. It's like each one of these burgers are so good. It's like a different supermodel, and you gotta pick which one that you want. It's like, I don't know, I want them all. So that's it. A little messy, a little on the messy side, a lot more sloppy than the Wendy's number 2 I had the other day, but I gotta say it was a lot tastier than a Wendy's number 2. Although Wendy's was a lot cheaper. This whole meal I think was like $13, where Wendy's is like $8. But still, I think that this was a lot better. It was worth the extra money. Plus it got a milkshake. Although Wendy's Frosties are pretty delicious too. Well, that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Talk to you later. Take it easy. Oh, word from our sponsor.
Diabetes.